Okay, I just pressed the go live and record buttons, I sure hope. It doesn't show me that I'm going live on Facebook, but I'm going to go ahead and get started. Thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Cassandra, aka the Prosperous Heart from www.prosperousheart.com. And today I am sharing with you part 4 of my 14-part training series for Facebook engagement. Now, this video is not endorsed by Facebook. I'm just sharing it with you because I have a passion to empower others to create success. So if you are looking for ways to build your business online, share news about your nonprofit, whatever the case may be, market something online, this video is for you. Now, it is focused on Facebook, but I'll be doing trainings on other social media platforms later. But let's go ahead and get started. So, question, are you looking to build engagement on Facebook and grow rapport with your target market? Like I said, if so, then this video is totally for you. Like I said, today's day 4 of my 14 segment series on Facebook engagement. And in the last three videos, I've already shared how to ensure the right people see your posts, how to hack the algorithm and beat Facebook at its own game, as well as how to share more of, or how to be sure more of your content pops up in specific people's news feeds. And obviously, there's more to come. So if this is of interest to you, be sure that you subscribe to my videos and turn on notifications so you are alerted to the next one. Now, in today's training, I will be covering how to create engagement on Facebook using Facebook groups. And no, this is not a training on how to spam people, because I don't know about you, but I absolutely hate spam, right? This is about building relationships with people. This is about building those relationships because business is all about your relationships. People won't buy from you unless they know, like, and trust you, right? So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to go ahead and bring up my notes so I am focused and I stay on topic here and don't uh, go too long, right? So, like I said, this is about Facebook groups. So the first point I want to share with you today is that you want to join in and interact with groups where people are there, like just for your own benefit. You know, if you go into groups that are spam groups, like let's say you're in a direct sales company and you go into a group for, share your direct sales company stuff here. Well, you can do that, but there's a lot of people already doing that, and most of them probably aren't reading anything in there. You can try and provide value in there. I have actually grown my following by 3 times in less than 14 days by doing things like that. But I wouldn't necessarily suggest it because it might just be a waste of your time, right? Because you don't know what's going on there. But when you show you're a person, when you go to groups that are interested of you, like for example, one of my passions involved in empowering others for success is Forex. So I go into other groups to answer questions, to get my own questions answered, and just to be a person and share my experience and share, what's going on with me. And people from there, they either like your posts or they like your insights or your feedback or your support, right? Whatever group you're in, maybe it's about dogs, maybe it's about having kids, I don't know. If you're in that group and you're active, you show people that you're a human being and your vibe attracts your tribe. So as you are showing pieces of yourself to other people in these groups, they're going to come to your profile and they're going to be like, "Ooh, I really like what they're sharing, and I really like that they're an entrepreneur, and I really like that they're this." So this is one way to do so. So you want to join and interact with groups where you're not just spamming people, right? Do not try to sell. You want to be helpful. You want to participate, okay? So, second piece of advice is that find groups you can market in. There are many out there, but follow their rules and be sure that you're not just spamming, right? You don't want to just be in that group just to give, hey, here's this, you should join my company. You should become a client of mine. You should do XYZ. You can put that in there, but you want to also do the 80-20 rule, the Pareto rule. 80% is being a human being, interacting with others, responding to people's posts, right? And then 20%, marketing. Again, follow the rules of those groups. Number 3, start your own and grow it. Oh, imagine that, right? So if you need more information on that, I do have a training. Just feel free to reach out and I will share it with you. But it is free marketing for you. It is a group that you can post just about anything in as long as it doesn't violate Facebook terms of service. You can share your value there. You can do special stuff in your group to invite people in, right? There's ways to market that with free marketing and paid marketing and all kinds of things, right? You can do it through YouTube. That's actually how I've grown most of my Facebook group for Forex is I've done YouTube videos on what I'm learning. So there's so many ways to do it, but it's your group. And by interacting with your group, people get to know you better. And again, builds that know, like, and trust factor. Finally, point number 4 on using Facebook groups to create engagement is inside those groups, whether it's your own or others, you can find people and engage with or follow them. What a concept, right? Now, again, you don't want to be spammy. You don't want to just contact them because you think they're going to be awesome with this product you have and whatever, right? You want to engage with them to build a relationship with them. Find people that you would want to work with. Even if they decide not to join your business or not to be your client, don't just write them off. Keep building that relationship. You don't know what they're going through right now. You don't know if in a month, a year, 10 years, they might come back and go, you know what? This person didn't burn me. They've actually been cultivating this friendship with me and they haven't been a sleazy marketer with it. I think I'm going to ask them about it again. My life's opened up, my time's opened up, my money's opened up, whatever, right? So find people in those groups that you like, that you want to work with, check out their profile, comment on some of their stuff if they have that available, and follow them, right? If nothing else, just reach out and say, hey, I really appreciated your post in such and such group, would love to connect if you're open to it and move from there, right? But that is one thing I want to make sure that I share is that there are so many people, so many marketers even, that just add people and have no interaction with them. Maybe they're in a group and they just add them because they're part of the same group. But while Facebook does say, what groups you might be a part in, I don't know about you, but I don't add people that I don't know. I don't add people that don't talk to me, that don't converse with me, because you only have 5,000 friends on your profile. This is not your page, this is your profile. You only have 5,000 friends in your profile. And I want to be sure that it's people I know or people that, are going to be engaging with me, because Facebook is about engagement. It's about relationships. It's about creating those connections. Sure, some people may think that it's not, but that really is what Facebook is focused on. It's creating those connections, right? So those are the 4 points that I wanted to share today on how to build engagement with your Facebook profile. If you have any questions, I'm going to go ahead and check the feed really fast. No questions so far. Perfect. So then I'm going to go ahead and wrap up. Thank you again so much for joining me today. If you got value from this, please sprinkle some love down in the comments. Share this with your friends if you got value from it. And if you would like to work with me, just let me know. We will work together to find an option that is best for you. So thank you so much. Have a prosperous rest of your day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.